Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, this is me, Victory Ejeje. I am a video editor, a screenplay writer, and also a filmmaker. And into this video, I'll be giving you tips on how you yourself can be an independent filmmaker with little or no budget. So if you're interested in filmmaking, script writing, video editing, mobile video editing, movie reviews, then this channel is definitely for you. You want to be a filmmaker. You love watching films. Like you are obsessed with movies and you want to make your own. But you're like, how do I start? Well, you can only start by starting. I'll be giving you a few tips on how you can start shooting your first film or how you could shoot your first film. I make videos a lot. It's been 5 years of me making videos, and this course of this 5 years I've tried different techniques, different methods, and well, they have all been successful. So I'm grateful for growth and knowledge which I've gotten over time. How did I start? I started basically with my mobile phone. Exactly, my mobile phone. So you have an Android mobile phone. It might not even be an iPhone, but you could still make good films from it. And like John Connor will always say, just press record. My first official film I made was this film called Back from the Future. I shot this film using a Gioni S11 lights, one ring light, and my multicolored lights. I literally shot this movie in the night because I don't have a source of audio. I don't have a microphone. So I shot this movie in the night. And as it being my first ever short film, it was amazing in the sense that a lot of people watched it. A lot of people, I had thousands of people, I had over 10,000 people view this movie, and it actually made impact. So as an independent filmmaker, number one, you can shoot with your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is literally enough with at least one light source because you need to light up your environment. You don't really need to have a microphone because your mobile phone has an inbuilt mic which you can use. And also, you could try shooting at night where everywhere is peaceful and there is good tranquility, so your sound can be crisp, clear. You must know how to write a story. Yes, since you're going to be the script writer or the screenplay writer, you must definitely need to have knowledge about screenplay writing. For me, I took an online course which was literally free on YouTube on script writing before I embarked on writing my first short film. Yes, it was intense because it had over 10 series, which was over 4 hours, and I kept watching, kept understanding the concept of screenplay writing, the concept of short films, and I realized that writing a script is literally quite easy because everything has a formula. And after going through the course, after doing so many try and errors on TikTok and Instagram, I wrote the script. Now we've done pre-production, the screenplay writing, the script writing, the production using your mobile phone and a source of light. Now, post-production, how do you edit? When I was using mobile editing, I used Power Director to edit my movies. Power Director is an app. You could literally get it for free without the watermark and have the pro versions on your phone, which is very, very good. Actually, it's a cracked version. Yeah, so you could literally get it and have it on your phone and edit your film. Start small, okay? Even if it's not cinematic, start. Famous filmmakers didn't just make their best film at once. They started small. So there will be errors. Embrace it, love it, learn from your errors. And also watch films every day. A film per day. People might see you as being jobless, but bro, you're learning a lot. You learn by watching. It's just like singers. They listen to so many songs. Google, check your internet about the casting crew, why they made certain decisions. and follow Filmmakers. And also make use of social media. When you're done making your film, where do you post it? Post it on your Facebook account, post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok. Yeah. And also post it on filmway.com. Is it Filmway? Yeah, I think it's Filmway. Filmway.com. Actually, is sites where I upload my short films. Yes, and then when there are opportunities for film festivals in Nigeria or in different countries, I get an alert and then I register for those film festivals. And you're like, I don't have money to register for film festivals. They are actually free film festivals, and some film festivals actually have the early bird registration, which start off as being free. Yeah, free. And then after 4 months, they put a fee on the festival. So get feedback from your friends. Don't be shy to have your friend review your film, even if they don't say much. They're like, I don't understand. And when your friend says they don't understand what you're making, please go back to your table and restructure, because they are your audience. If your audience does not understand you, then what is the purpose of your film? Okay? So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this video, and drop a comment on what you think about this channel. And subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Bye.